I've got the front corners done. They came out okay, came out pretty nice. There's that window that was completely rotted out. There's my cat I just stepped on. There she is right there. This is the other side, the passenger side. It came out nice. So I was trying to decide what to do next. Should I go on the inside or should I go to the back back corner? So I've decided I'm going to go pull the sheet metal off the back and get started there. I got the back of the rig opened up here, and because I had a feeling that since the front corners were soft, that the back corners would be soft too. And sure enough, this is going to be a 4-corner job. So the middle looks okay, doesn't look bad at all. But these guys here, I mean, it's not pretty. This is what the other side over here looks like. But we'll get it fixed. We'll get all this wood replaced. Well, winter showed up, and as you can hear, we've got 23, 25 mile an hour winds, and it's not even 40 degrees outside. So I'll let you guys go ahead and do the math on the wind chill on that. The shop's not heated. Now, I do have one little section which is kind of back behind you here that is sort of enclosed that I can keep warm and working in there. So I'll be doing small projects in there, but big projects like this, I can't do it. It's too cold. I have to use glues, paints, and a whole bunch of other stuff that you can't do when it's below 40 degrees in the shop. So, but before we set this aside, I probably won't get back to this till March sometime. We're getting ready to head down south to our southern location, but when I come back, I'll get back on this. Let me do a quick walk around, and I'll show you where we're at. Okay, it's kind of hard to see simply because it's so big, and I can't open up. I can't open up the shop. It's just too cold. Between that and the wind, it just wouldn't be doing well. This is the front of the travel trailer. I've got both corners completed. I've got the window frame, and it's good enough. And then I started working on replacing the wiring. There's no wiring diagrams for this, so I'm starting to make my own. Now this side is not that bad. This is the driver's side, it's left-hand side. I pulled both windows out, the vent, I pulled the heater out, and it's actually in okay shape. There's a little bit up there that I'm gonna have to address, but that's nothing. This piece here got a little water damage. There, I'm just going to use that wood petrifier and the 2-part epoxy, which is, another reason why I can't do it in 40-degree weather. I'm really starting to like that wood petrifier stuff. Now this is the back of the rig. This is the left-hand side of the back of the rig, and as you can tell, it's not good, but it's really not that bad. I could tie in around the corner fairly easily, and these pieces I could just replace those. That's not what I'm worried about. This side over here, this is a different story. The floor's gone in this corner. Now what they did is there's actually a plastic belly liner underneath, and then there's linoleum on top, and sandwiched in between it is particle board, and what you are looking at is particle board. Now we haven't had rain out here for 2 months, maybe even longer, any measurable rain. I don't think this thing has seen rain for 3 or 4 months because it's been in the shop. but it was still wet up in there when I pulled all that out. This side, this is the right-hand side. I pulled the door out. I got to replace the top of the door there. And I don't even know where to start. I just got to start replacing stuff. And I got to rebuild this entire corner. I got to rebuild the other corner too, but this one, this is the worst of it. I don't think it's that big of a deal. Structurally, the unit is still fairly sound, but that's where we're at. Anyway, I just wanted to, I didn't want to leave with just not posting any videos for months and months without some sort of explanation. I'm not giving up on it. I'm going to get back at it. My due date on this, my deliver date, is October of 2022. So I've got plenty of time. Famous last words. But we'll get there. We'll get there. It won't be perfect, but I will definitely make progress, and I want to get this rig back on the road. I'm tired of seeing things rotting in fields and then people going out and buying new stuff. You know, it's great if you can afford it, but you know, there's some people out there, an entry-level rig like this, $20,000. I mean, come on. Anyway, thanks for watching.